Imagine you're an engineer, and your next project involves collaborating with a team scattered across 5 continents, each member bringing a unique cultural perspective and expertise. Sounds like a logistical nightmare? Not if you're equipped with global competency and collaboration skills. In today's interconnected world, engineers must seamlessly navigate diverse, international teams to innovate and solve complex problems. The global engineer, more than just technical skills. Gone are the days when engineering was solely about crunching numbers and perfecting designs. Modern engineers must also be adept communicators, culturally aware, and collaborative team players. Global competency, the ability to work effectively across cultures, is now as essential as technical prowess. Why should you care? In an era where companies operate on a global scale, possessing global competency sets you apart in the job market. Employers seek engineers who can effortlessly collaborate with international colleagues and clients, ensuring projects run smoothly across borders. Plus, embracing diverse perspectives leads to more innovative and effective solutions. Educational strategies, building the global engineer. So, how do educational institutions prepare students for this global stage? Here are some strategies employed to develop these vital competencies. International collaborative projects. Students engage in projects with peers from universities worldwide, tackling real-world engineering challenges. This hands-on experience hones their ability to work across time zones and cultural differences. Global virtual teams, GVTs, leveraging digital platforms, students collaborate with international teammates on assignments, mirroring the remote work environments prevalent in today's industry. This approach enhances digital communication skills and cultural adaptability. Study abroad programs, immersing students in different cultural and educational settings broadens their perspectives and deepens their understanding of global engineering practices. Curriculum integration, courses incorporate global case studies and cross-cultural communication training, embedding international perspectives into the engineering curriculum. Real-world applications, success stories. Consider the development of the Airbus A380, a project that involved engineers from France, Germany, Spain, and the UK. Their ability to collaborate across cultures and languages was pivotal to the aircraft's success. Such examples underscore the importance of global competency in engineering feats. The role of technology, bridging distances. Advancements in technology have made global collaboration more accessible than ever. Tools like video conferencing, collaborative software, and virtual reality platforms enable seamless communication and project management across continents. Familiarity with these technologies is crucial for modern engineers. Challenges and solutions, navigating the global landscape. Working in international teams isn't without challenges. Time zone differences, language barriers, and varying work cultures can pose obstacles. However, educational programs that simulate these conditions prepare students to navigate and overcome such hurdles effectively. The future of engineering education, a global perspective. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the emphasis on global competency in engineering education will continue to grow. Future curricula will likely feature more international collaborations, cross-cultural training, and opportunities for students to gain global experience, ensuring they are well prepared for the demands of the industry. Conclusion: embrace the world. Incorporating global competency and collaboration into engineering education equips future engineers to thrive in diverse, international environments. By embracing these skills, you'll not only enhance your employability but also contribute to innovative solutions that make a global impact. So, gear up to become a global engineer, because the world is your workspace.